I've been watching you for a long time. And I know what scares you the most. And I'm getting better at making it real. I can feel your heartbeat getting faster and faster. It's the sweetest sound. It means that you are scared. The walls remember every scream. Yours will add a new special echo. The voices in your head, they're my friends. They tell me your every secret. You see that light flickering in your room? You hear those floorboards creak and the door slam shut? That's me. And it's all to make you know that I'm here. When you close your eyes, I crawl right into your thoughts. It's a cozy little space just for me. The shadows don't just follow you. They are waiting for the right moments to pull you in the dark. Do you feel that